Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best electric bicycle tail lamp in this video? I will show you the top 5 best electric bicycle tail lamps to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Ebike Radar Tail Light. Specifications. Brand name, Ebike. Model number, L508. Waterproof level, IPX7. Support dimmer, 5 to 8 files. Body material, ABS. Type, Taillight. Power supply, battery. Mounting placement, seat post. Charging port, Type-C. Certification, CE. Number 4 is W100 Bicycle Radar Taillight. Specifications. Waterproof level, IPX6. Support dimmer, 2 to 4 files. Body material, ABS. Type, Taillight. Power supply, battery. Mounting placement, seat post. Certification, CE, FCC. As the item number 3, we've selected Export SR30 Radar Tail Light. Specifications. Brand name, Export. Model number, SR30. Waterproof level, IPX7. Support dimmer, 5 to 8 files. Body material, plastic. Type, Taillight. Power supply, battery. Mounting placement, seat post. Weight, 69 grams. Visual angle, 220 degrees. Certification, CE, FCC, Row HS. Number 2 is Brighton Gardia R300 Radar Tail Light. Specifications. Brand name, Brisket. Model number, R300. Waterproof level, IPX6. Support dimmer, 2 to 4 files. Body material, plastic. Power supply, battery. Mounting placement, seat post. Certification, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have MagicShine SEEMEE 300. Specifications. Brand name, MagicShine. Model number, SEEMEE 300. Waterproof level, IPX6. Support dimmer, 5 to 8 files. Body material, aluminum alloy. Type, Taillight. Power supply, battery. Mounting placement, seat post.